As the nights grow colder and the city glows with twinkling lights, your balcony becomes the perfect spot to create your own slice of Christmas magic. Imagine sipping cocoa under glowing fairy lights, surrounded by pine garlands, cozy blankets, and a hint of sparkle in every corner. Whether you have a tiny apartment balcony or a spacious terrace, the holidays are all about creating warmth, even in the crisp winter air. From hanging lights to DIY ornaments and festive greenery, your balcony can become a cozy retreat that captures the joy of the season. Welcome back to Decor Design Ideas, where we turn every corner of your home into a space filled with beauty, style, and holiday spirit. In today's video, we're sharing balcony Christmas decoration ideas, from twinkling balcony lights to small space DIY setups that'll make your outdoor area festive, cozy, and picture-perfect for the holidays. How can I start decorating my balcony for Christmas? Begin with a theme: classic red and green, winter white, or gold and silver elegance. Once you choose your palette, start with lighting and greenery as your base, then layer ornaments, cushions, and small details that reflect your Christmas style. What are some cozy balcony Christmas lighting ideas? Use warm white fairy lights draped along the railing, or hang curtain string lights for a glowing backdrop. Lanterns and LED candles add a soft, inviting glow, perfect for cozy evenings outdoors. If you love balcony lights that feel like a winter fairy tale, hit like and share this video with your holiday-loving friends. How can I decorate a small balcony for Christmas? Opt for vertical elements, hang garlands on walls, use railing planters filled with pine and berries, and add a small tabletop tree. Keep your color palette simple for a cohesive, spacious look. What are some simple balcony Christmas decoration ideas? You don't need to go overboard. Add a wreath to the door, fairy lights on the railing, and a few cozy throws or cushions. A small potted tree with ornaments can be a perfect centerpiece. What's your balcony vibe? Minimal and chic, or festive and full-on? Tell us in the comments below. What are some creative Christmas balcony railing decorations? Wrap garlands with string lights around your railings and accent them with bows, ribbons, or ornaments. For a fun twist, hang stockings or mini gift boxes along the railing edge. How can I make my balcony look warm and cozy for the holidays? Add layers, blankets, faux fur throws, and plush pillows. Use soft lighting and candles to set the mood. A small outdoor rug instantly adds warmth and ties the space together. Check out our Christmas Cozy Spaces playlist linked in the description for more warm and festive ideas. How can I incorporate plants or greenery into balcony Christmas decor? Use potted evergreens, ivy, or faux pine garlands to bring the outdoors to life. Add red berries, pine cones, and ribbons for a festive touch that feels natural and timeless. How can I decorate a balcony for Christmas on a budget? Go DIY. Make paper snowflakes, mason jar lanterns, or paint your own ornaments. Dollar store finds and thrifted decor can look stunning with a little creativity and some sparkle. Love creative budget-friendly decor? Hit subscribe for weekly DIY Christmas and home styling videos from Decor Design Ideas. How can I create a small balcony Christmas tree setup? Choose a mini artificial tree or decorate a real potted pine. Add fairy lights, small ornaments, and a simple topper. For apartments, tabletop trees are perfect for limited space, yet full of charm. What are some ways to decorate balcony windows or walls for Christmas? Hang light curtains, festive decals, or snowflake cutouts on windows. On walls, use battery-powered wreaths, DIY hanging stars, or garlands with twinkling accents for that extra glow. Want to decorate beyond the balcony? Watch our Christmas porch and entryway decor ideas video, linked in the description. How can I keep my balcony decorations weather safe? Use waterproof LED lights, outdoor-rated extension cords, and plastic ornaments. Anchor lightweight items with zip ties or hooks to prevent them from blowing away in the wind. What's a good way to make your balcony visible and festive from the street? Outline your railing or balcony frame with bright lights, or hang large ornaments that catch the eye. A glowing reindeer, snowman, or star silhouette adds instant visual appeal from afar. How can I combine Christmas lights with plants or furniture on a balcony? Wrap fairy lights around potted trees or railings, and add light-up lanterns near seating areas. The soft blend of greenery and light creates an enchanting, storybook look that feels magical. What are some Grinch or themed balcony decoration ideas? Add a playful twist with a mini Grinch figure, green lights, or a themed wreath. Mix red and lime green accents for a whimsical, family-friendly look that's festive and fun. How can I make my balcony Christmas decor last all season? Choose durable materials, plastic ornaments, faux greenery, and LED lights with timers. Store delicate items indoors when not in use, and refresh accents like ribbons or candles weekly for a crisp, fresh feel. Your balcony may be small, but it can shine just as bright as a winter wonderland. With the right mix of lights, greenery, and cozy touches, you can transform it into a festive escape that celebrates the magic of Christmas every night. Whether you go minimalist, rustic, or full sparkle, your balcony will glow with warmth, style, and that unmistakable holiday charm. Enjoyed these balcony decor ideas? Tap like and share this video to spread Christmas cheer. Tell us your favorite balcony style, elegant, DIY, or cozy festive. Check out our Christmas balcony and outdoor decor playlist for more glowing ideas. Hit subscribe to Decor Design Ideas for weekly seasonal inspiration and decorating tips. Explore our other uploads on Christmas porch, entryway, and yard decor.